Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rahul Alfandi from Department of Biology Education, Muhammadiyah University, Professor Dr. Hamka. In the video, I am going to bring you information from Research Journal of Kebumen Polytechnic based hand sanitizer, which is using infrared sensors. Automatic hand sanitizer with infrared sensor. Judging from the journal Unikartika and Yulia Berlinda, Kebumen Polytechnic students hand sanitizer which is using infrared sensor. Do you know that over past 2 years COVID-19 have attacked the entire globe, bringing deaths to hundreds of millions people in Indonesia, including Indonesia victims of the deadly virus. Not only the public health of the COVID-19 virus in Indonesia, such as education, economies, and other business. It is being told that a new virus has entered Indonesia, Omicron virus. Yes, a case of the Omicron virus has been found in a worker at the Kemayoran Jakarta Athlete Guest House. The quarantine system has not yet been established, play a maximum role in breaking the chains of existing virus. For that, it needs to be reread to all of us. As a community, we must maintain clean lines, not only personal hygiene, but also the clean lines of the surrounding environment. One way to emphasize health protocol is to wash hands with soap. Quote from Kompas News, Coordinating Minister for Maritime Affairs and Investment Luhut Binsar Panjaitan said, the pandemic situation in Indonesia has indeed shown a decline in recent times. According to Luhut, the increase in COVID-19 cases in various countries is due people's negligence in implementing 3M, namely wearing masks, washing hands, and maintaining distance. With that said, it's clear that people are getting tired of this pandemic. Their anticipation of this pandemic is starting to decline because one of the reasons is that people have received the COVID-19 vaccine from the government. Of course, the vaccine doesn't mean we can be free from this virus. Protecting themselves, such as washing hands with soap, wearing masks, and maintaining social distance, has been underestimated. Then how to make people aware of their health? Judging from the journal of Unikartika and Yulia Berlinda, Kebumen Polytechnic student who researched the use of automatic hand sanitizer. Data analysis, method use, observation, implementation, and evaluation. Quantitative data. The use of automatic hand sanitizer is more widely used by customers with an average of 82% compared to manual hand sanitizer and average of 59%. Based on this data, it can be concluded that the use of hand sanitizer can be an option to enforce health protocol which are currently declining. Automatic hand sanitizer is meant to help people improve a clean lifestyle. Its use is also very practical because people want to do something simple without having to make it difficult for themselves. Now, before we listen to the video, let's prepare the first materials. Infrared module, jar, clear water hose, 5-volt water pump, 1K resistor, transistor, and USB cable. After that, you can connect the components one by one using a soldering iron with a circuit like this. Okay, Let's see the video. Okay guys, first we have to prepare the schematic. The schematic in the circuit that we will make later. First, TIP42 transistor has a 3 prongs marked with B, C, and E. And the sensor also has 3 prongs marked with VCC, ground, and output. Next, 5-volt water pump, USB cable, and 1K resistor. Okay, let's look carefully at this section. The first, branch B on the transistor is connected to output branch of the sensor using 1K resistor. Which one? This one. P2 output. Next, the E branch of the transistor is connected to VCC sensor. This E to VCC. Now for the positive water pump cable, it is connected to C branch of the transistor, while the negative cable is to the ground sensor branch, positive and negative. Don't get it wrong and reverse, because if it's wrong an error will occur. And for the last, the positive USB cable is also connected to C branch of the transistor, along with the positive cable of water pump, and the negative cable is connected to ground sensor branch. Positive, negative, positive, and negative. Okay guys, if you have finished connecting using soldering iron, this is what it looks like. Utility: improve clean lines, education for children, and improve economic status. Okay guys, besides being able to read us the spread of COVID-19, this tool can also help the economy of the people in Indonesia. We can start this simple business, but by modifying this tool with anything, it is well created, making it interesting and lively fans. This automatic hand sanitizer can advance technological developments in modern times like now. Imagine of you, the public could create something new. Find new advanced tool with simple ingredients. Surely technological development in Indonesia will be very rapid. For example, the manufacture of hand sanitizer, this automatic machine only costs around 50,000 rupiah. It's very cheap. Isn't it for the simple but sophisticated tool? In addition, this tool can also be an education for children because the system works like a robot. What about after seeing and hearing this information? Are you interested in making your own at home? I hope this information can be useful for all of you. Let's fight the virus together. We've been living under pressure for a long time. I'm sorry if there are any objection from me. Hopefully, we will all be kept away from virus that are sweeping the world. At this time, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.